Hey guys, welcome to another video on Brand Device where we talk about business and finance. My name is Bharat and this is a very important update and also very time sensitive because Coinbase is getting delisted from all of the German stock exchanges from 23rd April, which is Friday. I'm going to take you to the screen now and show you exactly what Börse Frankfurt or Xetra is saying about it, which is the main German stock exchange. So if you take a look at this one, this was the notice that we received first from Scalable Capital today. I'm going to go into more detail after we take a look at the one which is written on Xetra. So here they are writing that please kindly be informed that shares of Coinbase Global will be delisted from the Frankfurter Wertpapierbörse effective by end of trading session on 23rd April 2021, which is this Friday. It applies to both trading venues, that is Xetra and Börse Frankfurt, and until further notice. The reason for delisting is a missing reference data for these shares. LEI. Then afterwards, the same thing you can read here on Scalable Capital. They have posted this in your dashboards. If you will log in, you will see this notification. Trading in Coinbase Global Inc. Is expected to be discontinued on German exchanges as of Friday 23rd April 2021, end of trading. The suspension is valid until further notice and is due to missing reference data LEI. Please find the corresponding notice from this. So that we already saw. So the first thing, of course, you must be asking is, can I sell my shares after 23rd? Maybe you wanted to hold it for a longer time. Can you sell it at all? They're writing no, as long as Coinbase has not provided the missing reference data by that date. According to the latest information from the exchanges, trading will therefore be suspended after 23rd April 2021 until further notice. Selling your position would also no longer be possible after this date. That means before 23rd, so before Friday, you can still do it. I think that's why it's very important that you turn on the bell notification so that you're not missing out on any of these informations in the future. Please note that all the German trading venues are affected by this measure and Scalable Capital has no influence on this. Then the second question is, what will happen to my shares? Then they write, you will be able to trade your shares until the close of trading on 23rd April 2021. However, if you have not sold your shares by then and the reference data has not been delivered by Coinbase in the meantime, selling your shares will no longer be possible until further notice. Please note that all German trading venues are affected by this measure and Scalable Capital has no influence on this. And this is understandable because you see the main notice on the Xetra website and not on Scalable Capital. So Trade Republic, Smart Broker, Comdirect, whatsoever, whoever is trading with the German exchanges, you will not be able to buy the Coinbase stock or sell it afterwards there. Does Scalable Capital impose trading restrictions? And they write, Scalable Capital does not impose trading restrictions. As soon as trading on the German stock exchanges is resumed, trading will also be possible again in our broker. So this was just an important information that I wanted to give you guys so that if you want to sell your Coinbase stock or something, you can do that before 23rd April, because otherwise I don't know how long this might take. I have a feeling that maybe this should be taken care of sooner because Coinbase is again not a small company, but if you take a look at the kind of revenue and stuff they're making, it really doesn't fit their evaluation. There's a very nice video which was made by this, I think Chicken Gang Singapore or something. I'm going to link the video for that in the description so you can take a look at that too, about the Coinbase stock and what he thinks about it. I think these are some pretty interesting arguments. But otherwise, in the shorter run, if you want to sell it, then you have time till 23rd. If you don't sell it till 23rd, then you don't have any idea till when you will be able to sell it at all. So it is pretty much up to you to decide what you want to do with this stock. If you have any kind of questions whatsoever, you can write it down in the comment section below. And also, if you want to sit down for any kind of appointment, I also offer one-on-one appointments, the link for which you can find in the description below. Thank you so much for watching this video. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.